Hey friends, if you wish to repair corrupted image files online free or using a freeware, then please watch this video. Now I suggest don't use freeware products because they eventually ask you to pay. I tried the easy US one, but here's the thing. Just try the online tool. It's easy because photo files do not need a lot of space. Click on this one, jpg.repair. I tried this one, it works. Simply upload your broken file and then it will start fixing that. Okay, it will start scanning it, and then it will create the picture once again, and then you can download the full picture. Okay, so I can show you what happens when you open it. There is no watermark here, but the image is slightly, what do we say, compressed. I mean, the image size is slightly compressed, so the quality is lesser than the one which you uploaded, but it's okay. I mean, at least you have a full image and all. I tried that already. Okay, so you're getting it for free, that's enough. If you try other software products, I'll tell you what they do. They will add a watermark and ask you to pay to remove the watermark, and otherwise they will ask for the paid software at the very first, at the very initial. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.